In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the spread of a currency pair on Metatrader 5. The spread is the small difference between the price you can buy at and the price you can sell at, and it's one of the core costs of trading. Understanding it will help you plan entries, manage risk, and avoid surprises during volatile markets. Start by opening Metatrader 5 on your computer. Make sure you're logged into a trading account and that your market quotes are updating in real time. Pick the currency pair you want to analyze so the platform focuses on the right symbol as you move through the process. Next, open a new order. This brings up the order window where you can see details for the selected pair and, importantly, the live prices the market is offering. It's a convenient place to view the pricing context you'll use when calculating the spread. Choose the correct symbol and the order type that matches what you're doing. If you're simply observing the spread, market execution is fine. Confirm you're on the exact currency pair you want. Some brokers list many variations and spreads can differ between them. Enter your volume and, if you're practicing order placement, set a stop loss and take profit that reflect your usual risk management. These fields aren't necessary for calculating the spread itself, but they're useful if you're testing how spreads interact with execution and slippage. If you're new, consider doing this on a demo account to stay risk-free. If you decide to execute, click Buy or Sell. A buy order fills at the ask price, a sell order fills at the bid price. That difference between ask and bid is the spread you pay on entry. Seeing your fill price relative to the live quotes can make the concept very tangible. To view the raw numbers clearly, press Ctrl+M to open Market Watch. This panel lists symbols with two columns, bid and ask. If you don't see them, widen the panel so both columns are visible. Now look at your chosen pair and read the two prices. The spread equals ask minus bid. For example, if the ask is 1.8652 and the bid is 1.8640, the difference is 0.2. On most non-JPY pairs, that's 1.2 pips, often shown as 12 points. On JPY pairs, a pip is typically 0.01, so adjust accordingly. Remember, spreads can widen during news, low liquidity sessions, or sudden volatility, and they can vary by account type and symbol. That's it. By checking the bid and ask in Market Watch and subtracting the two, you can quickly calculate the spread on Metatrader 5 and make more informed trading decisions.